Hello, and welcome back to Tutorials Arena. Today we will discuss MCQs on topic HTML. So let's get started. Which global attribute is used to specify whether the content of an element should be translatable or not? The correct answer is option C, translate. Which HTML element is used to provide a list of predefined options for an input element? The correct answer is option A, datalist. In an A tag, what does the download attribute do? The correct answer is option B. It prompts the user to save the linked resource instead of navigating to it. Which element is used to group related elements in a form and draw a box around them? The correct answer is option D, field set. The fig caption element is specifically designed to be a child of which element? The correct answer is option B, figure. When using the script tag, which attribute ensures the script is executed only after the entire document has been parsed? The correct answer is option A, defer. Which HTML5 element represents a scalar measurement within a known range or a fractional value? The correct answer is option C, meter. In the IMG tag, which attribute is used to provide different versions of an image for different display resolutions? The correct answer is option D, circset. Which tag is used to represent the result of a calculation or a user action in a form? The correct answer is option A, output. Which meta name attribute value is used to control the layout of web pages on mobile browsers? The correct answer is option B, viewport. Which HTML element is used to highlight parts of a text for reference purposes due to its relevance in another context? The correct answer is option C, mark. What is the default value of the method attribute in an HTML form element? The correct answer is option D, get. Which global attribute allows you to specify a keyboard shortcut to activate or focus an element? The correct answer is option A, access key. Which element is used to provide pronunciation information for East Asian characters? The correct answer is option B, Ruby. The dialog element represents a dialog box or other interactive component. Which attribute is used to make it visible to the user? The correct answer is option C, open. Which attribute for the audio or video element tells the browser to start over again every time the resource finishes? The correct answer is option D, loop. To associate a label with an input element, which attribute of the label must match the ID of the input? The correct answer is option A, 4. Which HTML5 element is intended to contain a self-contained composition in a document, such as a forum post or a news story? The correct answer is option B, article. Which tag is used to specify a default URL and a default target for all links on a page? The correct answer is option C, base. Which attribute can be used to change the order in which elements receive focus when the user navigates with the keyboard? The correct answer is option D, tab index. Which tag is used to define a container for the contact information of the author or owner of a document? The correct answer is option A, address. Which rel attribute value for the link tag suggests that the browser should resolve the DNS for a specific domain in the background? The correct answer is option B, DNS prefetch. Which element is used to embed vector-based graphics directly into an HTML document? The correct answer is option C, SVG. In a video element, which attribute specifies an image to be shown while the video is downloading or until the user hits the play button? The correct answer is option D, poster. Which element represents a disclosure widget from which the user can obtain additional information or controls? The correct answer is option A, details. Which HTML element is used to represent a specific period in time or a date? The correct answer is option B, time. Which attribute is used with the input type equals file tag to allow the user to select more than one file? The correct answer is option C, multiple. Which tag is used to define the title of a work, e.g., a book, a song, or a movie, within a text? The correct answer is option D, cite. Which attribute is used to indicate that an element is not yet or is no longer relevant? The correct answer is option A, cite. Which global attribute is used to define a unique identifier for an element in an HTML document? The correct answer is option B, ID. Thank you for watching.